next Friday on Chalkboard Chat.
I'm Jermaine Flood.
And I'm Tara Wren.
And we'd like you to meet the inaugural members of the new MPB Student Council.
Howdy, I'm Makenna Mead. I'm a 12th grader at Hernando High School.
Hi, my name is Corinne Allen, and I am in the 8th grade, and I attend Simpson Central School.
I am Jenna Dent. I am in the 10th grade, and I attend Madison Central High School.
My name is Myles Williams. I'm in the 12th grade, and I attend Brandon High School.
Hi, my name is Kayla Latiker, an 11th grader at Lanier High School.
Hi, my name is Kaylen Woodard. I'm an 8th grader at Simpson Central.
My name is Deon Harrington. I am an 8th grader at Batesville Jr. High School.
Hi, I'm Jack Durr, an 8th grader at Pell Junior High School.
Tune in to learn more about them and their new MPB Student Council podcast. For more information about MPB Student Council, visit education.mpbonline.org. That's an all-new Chalkboard Chat, Friday, January 28th. Chalkboardchat.mpbonline.org.